Hey everyone, it's been a while since we've talked about Xenon or Xenarc HID bulbs, and I'm excited to share with you some of the latest products that we've taken over our top recommendations. We've been busy testing a variety of bulbs from well-known brands like OSRAM and Philips, as well as premium editions from Morimoto or DDM Tuning and Diode Dynamics. And of course, we didn't forget about the budget-friendly options from Amazon. We found a few gems in there too. If you want to learn about how we test these products, be sure to check out our website. Link is in the description. But in a nutshell, we use 3 unique OEM Xenon projectors to ensure consistency and accuracy, and we consider factors like total output or lumens as well as color temperature. And don't forget, we'll always keep our top recommended products page up to date as we continue testing, so be sure to bookmark that link in the description for future reference. Now, let's dive into the results. Our first recommended Xenon kit is the OSRAM Cool Blue Intense Next Gen. In comparison to a brand new OEM OSRAM original, the Cool Blue Intense produced a remarkable low and high beam performance with additional 24% low beam distance and 15% additional high beam output and 4% more lumens. Although there were other products with higher low beam performance, their high beam performance couldn't match the Cool Blue Intense. The Cool Blue Intense's color temperature came out to 5300 Kelvin, which is as close to a pure white as you can get. The next closest option was the Cool Blue Boost at 5450 Kelvin, but they had less lumen output as well as less high beam performance. The Cool Blue Intense Next Gens are available in all major sizes, but it's important to be careful when you purchase OSRAM and Philips Xenon bulbs online, as there are many knockoffs out there. In the video description, we'll provide a link or two to a reliable source to ensure that you get a genuine set of bulbs. The cost of these bulbs range between $140 and $200 US, depending on the size. If you prefer a warmer white color that is still whiter than OEM, consider the OSRAM Nightbreaker Laser Next Gens. Their performance is similar to the Cool Blue Intense Next Gens, with 25% additional low beam output, 6% high beam output, and 2% more lumens. The color temperature of these is 4750 Kelvin compared to OEM at 4300 Kelvin. So they're a bit whiter, but without any blue tones like the Cool Blue Intense Next Gens. One reason to choose an OSRAM or Philips product is the high quality materials they use, which strikes a fine balance between performance and efficiency. They utilize state-of-the-art resilient quartz glass filled with xenon gas and metallic salts, which allow the arc to glow brightly and last a long time. While we don't have the lifespan results on these products just yet, we do have them running on our test bench 24/7 to see how they perform in the long run. Once the results are complete, you can find them on our listed on our website, and we'll continue to test more samples over time. If you find that the OSRAM bulbs are a bit too steep for your budget, it may be worthwhile considering a high-quality third-party alternative. In this category, we'll recommend the DDM Tuning Xenon bulbs in the 55 Kelvin variants, particularly, although they offer some different colors, ranging from 3000 Kelvin, 4500, 5500, and 6500, with the 5500 variant offering an actual color output of 5800 Kelvin. Though from our comprehensive testing, we found that the Ultra Xenon bulbs outperform even top OSRAM picks when it comes to low beam performance, with an output of 583 lux or at 25 feet or 42% additional distance. These bulbs deliver precision and clarity, which is truly exceptional considering their cost. While high beam performance showed only a slight improvement of 3% additional, lumens were down 10% due to the higher color temperature. However, we believe this variance in output is largely attributable to the unique design of the bulb, which is engineered to provide a stronger low beam overall. We also tested other color temperatures options from DDM, Morimoto, and Diode Dynamics. We compiled all of our findings into a comprehensive chart on our website, so be sure to take a look to determine which product best meets your specific needs. If DDM bulbs are still beyond your budget and you require a more economical option to replace your old Xenon bulbs, we recommend taking a look at the DMEX Xenon bulbs, which are available on Amazon. Specifically, we suggest the 4300K variant, which is intended to produce a warm white light. However, in our testing, we found the actual color output was a near perfect at 5100 Kelvin. This is in contrast to most other Xenon bulbs available on Amazon, which tend to have a higher color temperature of 6000 K or higher, potentially affecting their performance. While the DMEX Xenon bulbs fell short by -6% on the high beam performance and -3 on lumens, they did provide 26% additional low beam distance, and this is impressive considering their affordable price point for a set. It's also worth noting that we can't determine the longevity of these bulbs in your vehicle but we will provide updates on our website again as time passes. It's unlikely that these will match the longevity of high-end brands like OSRAM or Philips, but they may be an excellent budget-friendly option for those on a tight budget. If you're thinking of switching from xenon bulbs to LED replacements, there are a few things to consider before making the switch. One important factor to keep in mind is the connection conversion process. Since the vehicle has a ballast system in place, a typical LED will not work properly at a much higher voltage push and will require a special adapter. Alternatively, you may have to bypass the ballast and find the actual 12-volt output, which would involve splicing or adapting the wiring to get them connected. There are some LED kits available that include all the necessary conversion components, but we have yet to receive any in our lab for testing. In addition to the connection issue, performance is also a critical factor to consider when moving to LED from Xenon. Based on our tests of various top-tier LED products, we found that they just couldn't match the performance of even an OEM Xenon bulb, especially in terms of lumens and high beam output. This is because the design of an LED emits light from two sides, which can cause issues when it comes to a high beam, which requires light to go upward. If you're dead set on converting to LED, be sure to keep these factors in mind and instead consider upgrading to one of the upgraded Xenon bulbs that we've already mentioned. They offer superior performance and are more compatible with the vehicle's ballast system, resulting in a better overall driving experience. Ultimately, selecting the right set of Xenon bulbs can make a significant difference in your driving experience. Our goal is to keep people safe on the road by providing unbiased and accurate testing. And with our testing and research, we hope to provide you with the knowledge to make an informed decision and find the perfect set of bulbs for your vehicle. If you do decide to purchase a product that we've reviewed, we kindly ask that you use our affiliate links. This helps us continue to improve and expand our testing capabilities, as well as enables us to test new products. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.